Hi, today I want to show you this useful tool from DYS. It's a red wrench. Let's see. So this is what you get in the package. So we have 4 sizes. The smallest one is 4 millimeters. Then you have another one. It's 5.5 millimeters, 8 millimeters, and the biggest one is 10 millimeters. So it's pretty light. It's made of aluminum. Feels very good in the hand, and we use it to screw and unscrew the nuts of the propellers. You can see it's pretty easy. So I think it's a pretty useful tool to have in your bag when you go out flying. So see, it's pretty easy to use. I'm going to weigh it up. It's pretty lightweight. Let's see. So it weighs 7.9 grams. So if you're looking for a good solution for screwing and unscrewing your nuts on the go, I think it's a good solution for you. I would like to show the measurement as well. So you can see the length. It's about 5 centimeters, and it's almost 15 millimeters the width of this tool. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will post the links in the description. Thank you very much, and goodbye.